premature delivery. Can it be done with yoga? Maybe, may not be. I mean, there is no hard and fast rule for premature delivery. There are a lot of reasons. Some can be prevented, some may not. But with certain practices, with yogic practices, it can help you relax, and actually anything which is caused due to stress can be taken away. In this video, I'm going to show you simple 3 practices which are restorative in nature, relaxing in nature, and can actually help you not only open up the areas, especially the pelvic area and all, but also in deeper relaxation. And for the 3 postures I'm going to show you, I'm going to use the props. So whatever props you have at home, if nothing, just get the pillows, maybe 4, 5, 6 pillows, so that we can stack the pillows and get into the practice. So I'm just sitting at the side of the bolster. I've gone slightly at the back. Okay, slightly at the back so that my thigh is in alignment with the bolster. Now slowly I'm sliding sideways to lie down on the bolster. There are different ways. You'll have to check your comfort zone. I'm going slightly down this way, getting my hands like this. This is the position. If you want to take some height, like I've got a pillow, you can get more height. You have to see what gives you comfort. See, this is a very comfortable position, very relaxing position. This way. This way. The leg which is up, bring it in front if you want. You can keep it at the back also. Or if you want, you can put a pillow in between your knees. Just to stay there in this position. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Slowly while coming up, take your hand support, press and gently come up. Make sure there is no jerky movement. It has to be very slow. It has to be absolutely as per your comfort. So you have to keep arranging things so that you're comfortable. You will repeat with the other side as well. You can start with good like 2-3 minutes. You can go up to 10-20 minutes. Once you do that, this is really relaxing and amazing, like the stress buster. So do this one. This was our first practice. In the second practice again, I'm sitting and I'm using the bolster. You might need, more height depending on your flexibility and comfort zone. You can sit like this. See, either way, see what gives you comfort. There are 2 ways of sitting. You can either sit like this if you want. Okay, if you want more comfort, you can go like this. So I'm getting the bolster pretty much close to the pubic bone. So it is not kind of pushing against my tummy, or if you want, you can slightly slide it out. It all depends on what gives you comfort, as the comfort will change at different stages of pregnancy. In the beginning, you'll be very comfortable, but as you start advancing and as your tummy starts showing up, you'll have to adjust. So this is one bolster. I've taken one cushion. I'm pretty comfortable like this. Okay, like this. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. This one. If you think, like that you're not very flexible, or if you have some kind of discomfort in coming down, you can use a stack of pillows over here so that you can rest your forehead. You can rest your forehead or the cheekbones, either in one of the sides, and you can keep changing, and that will give you, like ample relaxation. I'm just going to use some of the stacks of the pillow to show you how you can modify the posture. Got 2 small cushions in case you need more height for relaxation. See, this one, and this is slightly up so that you are comfortable. And I'm going down. See, this way. I can get my forehead on the hand or on the pillow, or I can get my cheek on the side this way. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. You can stay there for good like 5-10 minutes. Amazing relaxation, especially if you've got diabetes, you've got your thyroid active, or even if your BP active during your pregnancy, this is an amazing relaxation. This was our second practice. In the third practice, which is very popular and you must do, it is pelvic area opening along with the groin opening and deeper relaxation with the chest opening. So again I'm using the bolster. See. What is important, how do you stack the pillows? Okay, so this is the bolster I have used. I've taken one cushion. I have to place the cushion in a way so that this area is filled up and I'm very comfortable. So I will just fold it, or if you're not comfortable folding, you use another cushion. So like the other cushion, this one. Unstacking number of pillows, keep it, because more and more you take support, it will be a deeper relaxation. Let's do how we are going to do. So as you can see, this is vertical. If you're comfortable, you can just go like this way, okay? The two pillows I'm using below the knee, both the sides of the knee. My feet are in Namaste. I'm approximately 4 fingers away from the bolster. See, 4 fingers away from the bolster. I'm getting these two cushions also. I'll show you what am I going to do with this one. Okay, gently lie down. Remember, you are pregnant, so go slow, no jerk, no fast movement. See, you'll have to make sure that your back is in good relaxing position. See. Now, how do I place this pillow? Like this. See the height. If you want, get it slightly down, and this is really relaxing. My knees are relaxed on the pillows. I'm dropping my knees down. Now what am I going to do? For the chest is anyway opening. For more relaxation, I'm using another 2 pillows and placing my arms, the cushions, see this way. Inhale and exhale through the chest. You can start with like 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You can be there very comfortably for 10 to 20 minutes. Once you release, you will come back very slowly. You can take support, press and come, or turn to a side and come up. These 3 practices are, as I said, restorative in nature. Everyone, no matter at what level of complication or pregnancy they are, they can do it throughout the pregnancy. And this will not only relax you completely, but help you recover from a lot of changes or the disturbances or the obstacles which come in the way of pregnancy. So do practice that, make it a ritual to practice so that you can have a very beautiful, healthy pregnancy and very healthy delivery. Thank you so much.